Hello, everyone. I am a data scientist by profession, and I have over 10 years of experience working in cybersecurity data analytics field. I have decided to create a series of videos with some very basic machine learning algorithms, and I'm hoping to keep it short and simple so you can have a basic understanding if you are interested in learning data science. I will be using cybersecurity data as sample since that's what I'm mostly familiar with. So I will start with linear regression. Linear regression is the very basic fundamental statistical technique that data scientists use to predict a dependent variable based on one or more independent variable. So for example, this is the fundamental equation for linear regression. Here, y is the dependent variable, and this x1, x2, x3, these are independent variables. In cybersecurity field, we typically use linear regression to detect anomalies, predict future cyber attack, or attack trends based on historical data and based on multiple of these independent variables. So here in this sample table, we have failed logins, number of failed logins, what's the size of the network traffic in a day, how many suspicious requests we are getting, and the previous attacks. So all of these are independent variables. So this would be x1, x2, suspicious request would be x3, and previous attacks would be x4. These are also called features, and this is attack likelihood would be dependent variable, or in our case it's y, and it's called target. Now beta 0 is called intercept. When all of these independent variables are 0, then you will get beta 0, the value of beta 0. Beta 1, 2, and 3, these are coefficients. So when you plug, these are historical data for, say, last 6 days of data. And when we have a training model, machine learning model, either in Python, you can use scikit-learn, or you can use TensorFlow, or any other modeling software, and you plug in all these values, based on these historical values, you will get the value of beta 0 and beta 1 and 2 based on all these features and target. So after I plugged in all of my previous historical data, my model gave me this number, negative 4.76. So that's my beta 0. And then 2.21 is beta 1, beta 2, and beta 3, and beta 4. So now I have all these beta values, so I can plug in a future data. And that's how the model prediction works. So for example, this is the new data I got. Failed login is 14, suspicious request 6. So since I got all these values in the equation, now it's easy to predict the future cyber attack based on the new data. So once I plug in all these values to my equation, the result comes up to be 38.1% likelihood. So that's basically the linear regression. As I said, it's a very simple algorithm for simple sets of data. Usually network traffic flow or failed logins, all these independent variables are easier to predict because they usually are directly correlated to attack likelihood. So this is one of the best algorithms or most simple algorithms to train the machine learning model. Thank you.